Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Mitcham Turner and I am the sole employee of Big Rig Compliance. I'm an NHVR Auditor, heavy vehicle consultant, and I also do auditing in a whole heap of other industry accreditations. And most recently, I've just signed myself up to become a skills examiner and started the process for clocks auditing. So, getting into a little bit of everything. Now, I've done some permit videos before, so I'm going to be pretty quick in this one. Today, we're just going to go through the NHVR Go, which is the new name for the NHVR portal. And I'm going to be adding some extra roads to currently existing permits. And I just thought I'd share the process with you all. Please like and follow, subscribe, notify, whatever the YouTube channel. Adding subscribers really helps. I'm very surprised at the amount of videos and views I'm getting. Once I get to about 500 subscribers, I can start to get a couple of cents for this. At the moment, all the videos are free. They'll stay free. My hope is that I can continue to make these for industry and just bang them out, hopefully solve some problems that people have. Again, just before I start, Big Rig Compliance is me. You can follow me on Facebook. I'm on LinkedIn, Mitcham, Mitcham. Turner is me. BigRigCompliance.com or .com.au is my website. And you can always get me on my telephone, 0412 65 4455. We're going to try to be pretty quick here. We just Google NHVR portal or NHVR Go, open up your link, my password's saved, and we're going to log in. Multi-factor authentication is a new thing that the regulator has started with the NHVR Go. We enter our password, and then we select where we want our code sent to. 807671. Verify. And we are in. Right, this is us. Now, today we're going to be doing some access permits for Sam. So we're going to start in the access permit section. We're going to amend an existing permit. So we're going to go permit library. And we have 3 permits here for Sam that are current. We've got a higher mass limits 26 metre. We've got a general mass limits B double. And we've got a higher mass limits stag. So what we normally do is we go for the largest weight and the largest vehicle. And if that gets refused for any reason, then we can come back and we can try to go in at general mass limits or to go in as a stag setup. So we tick this little box and we select actions for one item and we're going to apply for an amendment. Yes. Now, we're not going to amend the vehicles. We're not going to amend conditions. We're going to amend the route. Next. The freight that we're carrying in this situation is commodity. It's timber. Now, route is where we have to start adding some areas. So here's where we add our roads. Unfortunately, the very difficult process of me adding all of the roads for this permit took about 3 hours. So much for fast. But what we've got here is just a little bit of an example of a small town in Victoria all the way through to central Sydney. And you put your waypoints in, you type in where you want to go to and from. You can route it via other situations. So let's go up to the Gold Coast and maybe we can finish in Cairns. And you can route that however you will. There's a bit of an art form to it. You can drag and drop, however, unfortunately, you can't drag a point onto the map one by one. Once you're ready, you can see all the roads and all the mapping you've got. We can check the distance. You go to confirm. You can put some notes in there if you need to tell the regulator why you're doing such a long trip. Go next. You don't normally need to add any attachments. You may wish to add whatever data you've got, but generally this will be pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to go to additional instructions. In here again is where you select your contact person. I've put me in, and where you would put additional comments. So you might say that you're willing to take Route A or Route B, or you might explain that you're not taking shortcuts. You're actually going to specific addresses on the roads you're going to. And then, as always, we go to confirmation. Now, in confirmation, you read through all the details that you've previously entered. I'll skip to the very bottom. Now, at the very bottom, it gives you the summary of the price for your application, and you can scroll all the way down and tick that you declare that you've read the terms and conditions and that the information that you have provided is correct. Then we click submit, which will take you to a credit card payment. Once you've submitted the application, it can be quite a process. I've had applications that take a week, and I've had applications that take 6, 12 months. It can be a very long process. The main thing for now is just to know that it's submitted, and the regulator will generally communicate with you via the portal. If I get some examples of that, I will be happy to share it with everybody. I look forward to the next video, and as always, please give me a call if you need any permits, audits, any consulting, logbook checking, electric work diaries, or if you think that I might be able to help you in a plethora of other ways. Thank you again for watching the channel. If you can please subscribe and follow, it's really appreciated. I look forward to making the next video.